हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज करेंगे हम इंडस वैली के टॉप 25 क्वेश्चन जो स्पेशली बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है एनडीए एंड सीडीएस के लिए, और रिपीटेडली ये क्वेश्चंस आपके पूछे जाते हैं। अगर ये 25 क्वेश्चन कर लेंगे तो होपफुली आपको और कहीं से ज़्यादा पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अगर ये 25 क्वेश्चन आप आज हम लोग 25 क्वेश्चन करेंगे एंड दूसरी वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट 25 क्वेश्चन करेंगे। एंड अगर आप लोग ये क्वेश्चन अच्छे से कर लेते हैं तो इंडस वैली का कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपका मिस नहीं होगा। एंड Indus Valley is one of the very important topic related. Fine. Especially if we talk about ancient history, तो ancient history, Indus Valley civilization and Vedic age period is really very important because maximum questions are raised from these two topics only. Fine. So Vedic age we have already covered, and I'll provide some more questions to you. And in this video we are going to cover Indus Valley top 25 questions, and in next video I will provide you more 25 questions. Fine. So these questions are really very important for your exam, especially for NDA and CDS. Okay, so let's start. The Great Bath of Indus Valley Civilization is found at Great Bath का क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है और मैक्सिमम टाइम रिपीटेडली ये क्वेश्चन पूछा भी गया है। तो ग्रेट बाथ किससे रिलेटेड है ये आपको पता होना चाहिए। तो किससे रिलेटेड है ये आपका मोहनजोदारो। दिस इज़ रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट सीरियसली मैक्सिमम टाइम ये क्वेश्चन पूछा भी गया है। फाइन। सो इसके बारे में और पढ़ लेते हैं थोड़ा। द ग्रेट बाथ इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट नोन स्ट्रक्चर अमंग द ruins ऑफ द एंशिएंट इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन एट मोहनजोदारो। यू हैव टू लर्न दिस, जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस, इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू मोहनजोदारो। एंड मोहनजोदारो का कौन सा रीजन था, कौन सी प्लेस थी, दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू लर्न। फाइन। Archaeological evidence indicate that the Great Bath was built in the 3rd millennium BCE, soon after the raising of the citadel mount on which it is located. Okay. So your next question is the social system of the Harappa was, क्या था आपका स्लेव लेबर बेस था, कलर वर्ना बेस था, कास्ट बेस था, या फिर आपका फेयरली इगलिटेरियन था। ठीक है, तो क्या था, काफ़ी समान। बेसिकली क्या था कि हड़प्पा में आप और आगे चल के भी पढ़ेंगे आपको, और आगे चल के भी मैं पूरी सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में बताऊंगी व्हाट वाज बेसिकली फाउंड इन दैट सिविलाइजेशन। तो इनका किस पे बिलीव था, इक्वल राइट्स एंड ऑल पढ़ लेते हैं। ठीक है, द सोशल सिस्टम ऑफ हड़प्पा क्या था आपका, फेयरली इगलिटेरियन। बेसिकली क्या था, इक्वालिटी थी, इक्वल राइट्स थी टू एवरीवन, ठीक, जो हमें हड़प्पा में देखने को मिली थी। द आर्कोलॉजिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफ द इंडस सिविलाइजेशन प्रोवाइड प्रैक्टिकली नो एविडेंस। यहाँ पे क्या था, हमें किसी भी चीज़ का एविडेंस नहीं मिला था। किससे रिलेटेड, आर्मी से रिलेटेड, किंग से रिलेटेड, स्लेव्स, सोशल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, प्रिजनर एंड अदर ऑफ नेगेटिव ट्रेड्स दैट वर ट्रेडिशनली एसोसिएटेड विद द अर्ली सिविलाइजेशन। ठीक है, तो बेसिकली क्या था, आपकी इक्वालिटी थी, यहाँ पे इक्वल राइट्स थी, सबको जो मिली हुई थी। ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं इतने, ये जो डीपली वाले पॉइंट्स आते हैं दैट आर कवर्ड इन योर सीडीएस एग्जाम। ठीक है, 4 पॉइंट्स दे देगा और पूछ लेगा कि विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू हड़प्पा पीरियड एंड विच इज़ नॉट। सो यू हैव टू गो थ्रू ऑल पॉइंट्स बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट इज़ रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू। फाइन। Okay, so let's move to next question. Which was the only Indus site with an artificial brick dockyard? Dockyard question is really very important. I have told you, one is Great Bath. Fine. Next is dockyard, and they repeatedly ask question related to dancing girl also. So I'll tell you about that also, what is basically it is. Fine. So these questions are some important questions and are repeatedly asked questions in NDA and CDS. You have to cover these questions because these are really very important. I am again and again telling you this thing because this session is really very important for you all. Okay, so which was the only Indus site with an artificial brick dockyard? So which was it? It was Lothal. Fine. So Lothal is covered, Lothal is related to dockyard. So whenever it comes, so you have to mark Lothal. Fine. Lothal is the only site which is related to dockyard. Okay, Lothal was the port city of Indus Valley civilization. It was located at, you also have to learn places. Sometime they'll give you in match the following type, so you should know about it. Fine. So Lothal, where is it? It is in Sangwala, Gujarat. So you have to learn the place also. Where is it? The dockyard was located away from the main current to avoid deposition of silt. It is speculated that Lothal engineers studied tidal movement and their efforts on brick-built structures since the wall was keen burn brick. Okay, so in this point you just need to learn what Lothal is related to dockyard. Dockyard is important. Fine, and you have to remember this place also. Next is, which statement on the Harappan civilization is correct? So which statement is related to Harappan civilization? Horse sacrifice was known to them, या फिर cow was sacred to them, या फिर Pashupati was venerated by them, the culture was generally static. So what is it? Pashupati was venerated by them. Pashupati is one of the main important aspect in Harappan civilization. I will tell you about Pashupati also. So Pashupati and Ma goddess, basically these are the fine. These are the one which are worshipped in Harappan civilization. We'll go through more about them also. So in this point, Pashupati was venerated by them. Okay. Okay, so Pashupati seal is a stated seal. This is important for you. Pashupati seal. Okay, I will tell you about it. First, let's read this point. Pashupati seal is a stated seal that was discovered at the Mohenjo-daro archaeological site of the Indus Valley civilization. The seal depicts a seated figure that is possibly having 3 heads, and it was once thought to be okay. So in this point, first you need to learn or need to just give a overview to this point. What is it? Basically, Pashupati seal is important for you. How it is shown, how it is made up of, this is important. This is basically made up of clay. That is also important for you to know. Okay, so we'll cover this in next video. Yeah. Okay, so this seal, Pashupati seal, is made up of clay. Sometimes they'll ask you what is it made up of. So it is made up of what? Clay, and how it looked like. So that we will cover in next question. Fine. So it have 3 heads. The seal depict a seated figure which having 3 heads. More we'll cover in next question. Okay. The Harappans did not know the use of, okay, so Indus Valley civilization is also known as Bronze Age civilization or Bronze Age period or Catholic period. So don't get confused related to this period, especially Indus Valley civilization period is also known as Bronze Age, okay, and Catholic age. These 3 things are only one. Okay, so what they did not know. So copper was the first metal. Let me tell you, copper was the first metal which was known to them and which was used by them. Okay, so they know about the use of copper, bronze and gold, and iron was unknown to them. Fine. Iron was not used in the Harappan cities. Harappan cities are the part of Indus Valley civilization which was held after the Catholic period of Stone Age. During the Catholic period, copper was first used to make tool utensils and other objects. This cover a question. Okay, which was the first metal used by them? So copper was the first metal which was used by them. You have to remember this thing also. This is also really very important for you. So there are similarities between the seal found at Mohenjo-daro and Egypt. Egypt, China, Sumeria and Afghanistan. So it is Sumerian. I'll tell you. Sumerian, basically Mesopotamia here we are talking about. Okay, so one seal from Mohenjo-daro shows a half human. Okay, so in previous question I was telling you that I'll tell you more about the Pashupati seal, how it looked like. So in this video, in this question we will cover that also. Okay, so seal, basically they are talking about seal. So how it looks like, it's cover half human, half buffalo monster attacking a tiger. Fine. So this seal is somewhere similar to the seal found in Mesopotamian period. So that's why it is somewhere similar. One seal from Mohenjo-daro shows a half human and half buffalo monster attacking a tiger. This may be a reference to the Sumerian myth of monster created by Oruru. Fine. The Sumerian earth and fertility goddess to fight the hero of an ancient Mesopotamia epic poem. This is a further cessation of the international trade in Harappan culture. So in this explanation, basically we just we came to know that Mohenjo-daro had trade with whom? Mesopotamia. Okay, suggestion of international trade in Harappan culture. These people used to have their trade with Mesopotamian people. This is also important, especially for CDS students. Okay, because CDS in CDS exam it is somewhere you will get very deep questions. Okay, so okay, what was the time period of the Indus civilization? Okay, so they are just asking the time period. So what was the time period in this? To 2500 BC to 1750 BC. Okay. Next question. The Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze, as I have already told you. This civilization is also known as Bronze Age civilization and Catholic period also. Just do remember that also. Extended from what today is northeast Afghanistan. So where is it recently now? Where? Northeast Afghanistan to Pakistan and northwest India. Next, the organic relationship between the ancient culture of the Indus Valley and Hinduism of today is proved by the worship of Pashupati Indra and the mother goddess Vishnu and Lakshmi Shiva. Okay, so first you have to understand the question what they are really asking. So in this question, what they are asking, asking about the relationship in ancient culture of Indus Valley and Hinduism of today. Fine. So what is the relationship between that time and Hinduism of today? So in this question, okay, so basically what is similarity? हम लोग उस टाइम पे किसकी पूजा करते थे? सिंपली अगर ईजी लैंग्वेज में इस क्वेश्चन को समझा जाए तो व्हाट इज़ इट कि उस टाइम पे जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन थी और आज के जो हिंदू हैं, सो व्हाट इज सिमिलैरिटी बिटवीन दैम? ओके, सो क्या सिमिलैरिटीज़ हैं रिलेटेड टू पूजा वर्शिप के बारे में अगर पूछा जाए तो? आप देखो, सिंपल ईजी वे मैं आपको बताती हूँ. उस टाइम पे जो पूजा होती थी उस टाइम, आज क्या है, आज हम पत्थर की भी पूजा करते हैं, पेड़ों की भी पूजा करते हैं, जानवरों की भी पूजा करते हैं. एंड उस टाइम पे भी हमें यही सब चीज़ें देखने को मिली थी, यही सब चीज़ों के हमें एविडेंस मिले थे. तो व्हाट इज़ द सिमिलैरिटी बिटवीन दम? फाइन, सो आई होप यू गॉट द आंसर. क्या था? स्टोन, ट्रीज एंड एनिमल. During that period also they used to worship these things also, and now also what they are doing? Stone, trees and animal. Okay, there has been evidence that the people of Indus Valley civilization believed in some form of animal, stone and nature worship. Out of the following remain exhibited in Indus Valley, one indicate the commercial and economic development. किसका था? The poetry या फिर seal या boats या फिर house. So it is seal. Okay, and how this seal look like we cover in, because this seal is also somewhere very important. You need to understand how does it look and what is the importance of this seal. Okay, the seal. Okay, now just go through it very. Okay, this point is really very important. Just go through it very clearly. Okay, so let's read this point. The seal was pressed into soft clay to seal the mouth of the jars as suggested by the imprint of the fabric on the back of some seal impression were used to create clay tags for sack of traded goods such as grain. Indus Valley seal have been founded as far away in Mesopotamia, in the cities of Umma and in Central Asia and on the coast of the Arabian Peninsula. The large number of seal have been found at the port of the Lothal in Western India. Finds of Mesopotamia weight in Indus Valley cities confirm that the trading took place between these two civilizations. Some of experts believe that Mesopotamia written records of trade in gold, copper and jewelry may be referring to the Indus Valley. बेसिकली इसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है, इतना कंफ्यूज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जस्ट मैं आपको एक ईजी वे में बता देती हूँ कि सील, इसमें आपको इस पूरे पैरा में आपको ये बताया गया है कि सील कैसे दिखती थी, क्या इंपॉर्टेंस थी, कैसे उसका ट्रेड होता था. देख लेते हैं, डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है बहुत ज़्यादा. देखो, सबसे पहले सील कैसे बनी हुई थी? सॉफ्ट क्ले. ठीक है, उसको प्रेस करके, प्रेस्ड इनटू सॉफ्ट क्ले टू सील द माउथ ऑफ जार. ठीक है, तो ये है. दूसरा इसमें आपको ये बताया गया है कि ये जो सील यूज़ होती थी ये बेसिकली ट्रेड पर्पस के लिए यूज़, जैसे आज हम लोग कॉइन्स यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है, कुछ चीज़ें खरीदने के लिए या वगैरह, तो उस टाइम पे ये सील यूज़ होती थी जस्ट फॉर ट्रेडिंग पर्पस. ठीक है, बेसिकली किसके लिए? ग्रेन्स वगैरह ये सब खरीदने के लिए. और ये हमें एविडेंस मिले हैं, सबूत मिले हैं कि ये सील बेसिकली जो ज़्यादा ट्रेड होता था किसके साथ होता था? मेसोपोटामिया के साथ होता. ठीक है। तो ये जो सिविलाइजेशन थी आपकी इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, और ये मेसोपोटामियम है, और ये हड़प्पन हो गई आपकी, ये सब, तो इनका यहाँ से हमें ये सील्स मिली हैं, बेसिकली एविडेंस मिले हैं कि इनका ट्रेड होता था इनसे बहुत ज़्यादा। ओके, तो ये है जो यहाँ पे हमें बताया। और ट्रेड बेसिकली किस पर्पस के लिए होता था, क्या खरीदने के लिए होता था? गोल्ड, कॉपर एंड ज्वेलरी में बी रेफरिंग टू द इंडस वैली। फाइन, तो ये इस पूरे पॉइंट में था। चलिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, द हड़प्पन हैड कमर्शियल रिलेशंस विद, तो किसके साथ उनके कमर्शियल रिलेशंस थे? अभी डिस्कस किया हमने, किसके साथ मैक्सिमम ट्रेड कवर होता था उनका? मेसोपोटामिया के साथ। फाइन, चलिए, the trade relationship during the later 3 millennium was a direct one shift from the millennium, the Indus dock and okay Mesopotamian ports। ये हैं बेसिकली, लोकेशन दी हुई है कि कहाँ पे हम मेसोपोटामिया, ओके, तो इराक है बेसिकली, अब जो मेन पोजीशन बताई जाती है उनकी। ओके, मेसोपोटामियम रीच द इंडस, सो इट इज़ क्लियर दैट द हड़प्पन कंडक्टेड द ट्रेड बिटवीन द टू सिविलाइजेशन। मेसोपोटामियम शिप्स सेल्ड द लेंथ ऑफ द गल्फ एज फार एज द वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ मगध। ओके, चलिए, नेक्स्ट है आपका, द ग्रेनी डिस्कवर्ड एट द हड़प्पा वॉज लोकेटेड। लेट मी टेल यू, दीज क्वेश्चंस आर रियली रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस थिंग बिकॉज इट मीन्स, फाइन, I mean it, and these questions are really very important for your exam. Each and every question related to Indus Valley is important, and if you cover this question, if you cover this session, okay, so you will not leave even a single question. I'm telling you this thing. Okay, so 11th, the granny discovered at Harappa was located at, where is it located? So it is near river Ravi. Okay, the so-called granny of Harappa is found on Mount F. It is a brick structure that was built on a massive brick foundation over 45 meters north-south and 45 meter east-west. It was near the river Ravi. Okay, so next question is, the Indus Valley civilization type was found in Sumer, Egypt, China, or all of the above. So it is found in all of the three, that is Egypt, China, and Sumer. The developments and features of the early civilization of Mesopotamia, that is Sumer, Egypt, India, Indus Valley, Indus River Valley, Harappa, China, Song Dynasty, and Mesopotamia, are starting from the creation of the village of the formation of civilization. These civilizations appears to have developed in response to their environment and in reaction to their human need for survival and security. Okay, let me tell you one more thing, that you have to remember which civilization lie on which river bank, because river is also really very important. They'll directly ask you that Harappan civilization lies on which river side. Okay, so rivers are also very important, and each and every site is also very important. The Indus Valley civilization has been assigned the period 2500 to 800 BC on the basis of, okay, so let me tell you, if they ask about you that period is assigned on the basis of, बेसिकली ये जो मॉन्यूमेंट्स होते हैं, तो इनकी एज जानने के लिए जो हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं वो होता है रेडियो कार्बन डेटिंग। रेडियो कार्बन डेटिंग के थ्रू हमें पता चलता है कि ये जितने मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं या जितनी चीज़ें हैं, इनकी जो डेट निकाली जाती है वो कैसे निकाली जाती है, इनका एज निकाली जाती है वो किस उससे निकाली जाती है, थ्रू रेडियो कार्बन डेटिंग. The Indus Valley civilization has been assigned the period of 2500 BC to 800 BC on the basis of radiocarbon dating. Next, the most common animal figure found at all Harappan site is, so what was it? It was unicorn bull. Okay. The unicorn bull is a legendary creation that has been described since antique as a beast with a single large pointed spiral horn projecting from its forehead. The unicorn bull was depicted in ancient seal of the Indus Valley civilization, as was mentioned by the ancient Greek in account of natural history by various writers, including, okay. So one of the following Indus Valley site is in Pakistan. So this is important. They'll directly ask you the place, which site is located at where. So in Pakistan, which site is Lothal, Kalibangan, Girpur or Harappa. So what is it? Harappa. The Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization mainly in the northwest region of South Asia, extending from what today is northeast Afghanistan to Pakistan and northwest India. So this is important, which you should know. Fine. The Harappan civilization do not have homogeneity or uniformity in. So what is it basically? Wheat and major cereal crop burial practice या फिर both B and C. So it is burial practices basically. This question is very important because they 2-3 times this question is already asked related to burial practice, how they buried, basically कैसे दफनाया जाता था उनके टाइम पीरियड में. So that is important. क्या पोजीशन होती थी, कौन सी किस तरफ सर होता था, किस तरफ. दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑलरेडी आस्क्ड इन एग्जाम एंड रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो इन जनरल द burials in the Harappan period were क्या था. इट इज़ लाइक, चलो पहले पढ़ लेते हैं फिर बताती हूँ एक बार. इन द Harappan period were all in the bricks or stone lined rectangular or oval pit. The body was usually in threaded cloth shroud in a wooden coffin in the north-south direction in a straight direction. Okay, it was important that the body did not come into contact with the ground. The only evidence of the wooden coffin is the presence of wooden stain in the body of the corpse. This is really very important, especially for CDS, क्योंकि इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, इसी टाइप से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है वहाँ पे, और इसमें 2-4 पॉइंट दे देंगे रिलेटेड टू burial practices and you have to find it out which point is correct. पहले देख लो, इसमें पूछा गया है, ईजी वे में बताती हूँ आपको क्या था. सबसे पहले तो जो था वो ब्रिक्स, बेसिकली ब्रिक्स और स्टोन किस वे में, आपके कौन से उसमें थी, आपके रेक्टेंगुलर और ओवल में था. ठीक है, फिर वुडन कॉफिन होती थी, और वुडन कॉफिन को किस डायरेक्शन में रखा जाता था, नॉर्थ टू साउथ. ओके, ये चीज़ आपको याद रखनी है. और वुडन कॉफिन का बता दिया है, इसके एविडेंस मिले हैं, और इस तरह से रखा जाता था दैट द बॉडी डिड नॉट कम इनटू द कॉन्टैक्ट विद ग्राउंड. फाइन, चलिए नेक्स्ट है द लोकल नेम ऑफ मोहनजोदारो. सो व्हाट इज़ द लोकल नेम ऑफ मोहनजोदारो. क्वेश्चन पूछा जा चुका है एंड रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये सारे दीज क्वेश्चंस आर रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. ओके, सो माउंट ऑफ डेड, मोहनजोदारो को किस नाम से बोला जाता है, माउंट ऑफ डेड. ओके, नेक्स्ट है मोहनजोदारो. द मॉडर्न नेम ऑफ द साइट हैज़ बीन वेरियसली इंटरप्रेटेड एज माउंट ऑफ डेड मैन. दिस इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट, यू हैव टू लर्न इट. इन Sin and Mound of Mohan. Who is Mohan? Mohan, where Mohan is Krishna. Which was the only city of the Indus without fortification? This is important. So which site is this? Chanhu-Daro. So let me tell you about this site. This site is basically used as factories, used for factory purpose. Okay, so in this site there you will not find any kind of fortification. हमें यहाँ पे कोई evidence नहीं मिला था related to fortification because maximum area is covered in which फैक्ट्री पर्पस. यहाँ पे फैक्ट्रीज ज़्यादा थी, आपको फैक्ट्रीज़ वाला काम यहाँ पे ज़्यादा मिलेगा इस साइट में, इसलिए यहाँ पे कोई फोर्टिफिकेशन वाला काम नहीं था. ओके, चनूदारो इज़ द ओनली हरप्पन सिटी विच डज नॉट हैव अ फोर्टिफिकेशन सीटाडेल. क्यों नहीं था वो आगे देखते हैं. चनोदारो हैज़ गिवन एविडेंस ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज ऑफ वेरियस फिंगरिंग, सील, टॉय, बोन इम्प्लीमेंट. सो इट हैज़ बीन इंटरप्रेटेड दैट इट वॉज अ सेटलमेंट विद लॉट्स ऑफ आर्टिशंस एंड वॉज एन इंडस्ट्रियल टाउन. फाइन, तो फोर्टिफिकेशन किलाबंदी क्यों नहीं रहा यहाँ पे, बिकॉज दिस साइट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज इंडस्ट्रियल टाउन, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आर्टिशंस थे, बेसिकली क्या काम, सील, टॉय, ये सब बनाने का यहाँ पे काम हुआ करता था. Which of the following was common to both the Harappan society and the Rigvedic society? तो क्या कॉमन था इनके लिए. ओके, हॉर्स थे, फीमेल थे, तो क्या था, देखो ऋग्वेदिक और हरप्पन सोसाइटीज़, तो क्या फेमस कॉमन था दोनों के लिए, हॉर्स. ओके, हॉर्स वॉज नॉन टू बोथ ऑफ देम. Horse was common to both of them. Okay, both the Harappan society and the Rigvedic society. Next question, which among the following has not been found in the excavation of Harappan site? Harappan site में क्या नहीं मिला है, let me tell you. देखो, drains and wells तो already we have studied about them. Reservoirs है, ऊपर पढ़ा ही हमने, and fort. Harappan site में आपको कि जब खोद हुई थी, जब छानबीन हुई थी, यहाँ पे एविडेंस थे, तो हमें यहाँ पे टेम्पल विद शिखर वाले नहीं मिले. हमें आजकल क्या होता है, आप देखा ही आपने, मंदिर है, मंदिर में मूर्ति रख के हम लोग पूजा करते हैं, लेकिन उस टाइम पे हमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं मिला कि मंदिर है और मंदिर में वो मूर्ति रख के पूजा करते हैं. तो हमें इस चीज़ के एविडेंस, मंदिर के एविडेंस वहाँ पे नहीं मिले. ठीक है, पूजा किसकी करते हैं, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, पशुपति एंड माँ. मदर गॉडेस. तो दिस थिंग ऑल्सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर कि पूजा किसकी करते हैं, वर्शिप किसकी करते हैं पशुपति शिवा एंड मदर गॉडेस. फाइन. और ये टेम्पल वाले एविडेंस हमें यहाँ पे इस साइट में नहीं मिले थे. चलो, नो टेम्पल हैज़ बीन एग्जिबिटेड फ्रॉम द साइट्स ऑफ हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन. हरप्पन पीपल यूज टू वर्शिप मदर एंड पशुपति महाराज. योनि एंड लिंगम वर्शिप कल्चर वॉज ऑल्सो प्रिवलेंट इन हरप्पा. दिस इज important and just prepare notes also. Okay, just write down the keywords and some important points in your notebook, because during exam you just have to go just give a quick revision, and for that you need your notes. Okay, so which was the biggest building in Mohenjo-daro? Which was it? It was Greni. Okay, and Bhandar. Okay, so found that it is the largest building of Mohenjo-daro. Cereals grown by the people of Harappan civilization was or were, this question is also very important. So if we talk about cereals which are grown in Harappan civilization, wheat, rice and millets are grown in Harappan civilization. So your answer is all of the above. Wheat kind of bread was this simple, perhaps baked in ovens or cooked over fire. In some places, particularly Gujarat, they also cultivated some native millets, and possibly rice does not become an important crop until post-Harappan times. Okay, next, which of the following statement about the Harappan people is incorrect? So this type of question you will get in your CDS exam, and especially in NDA and CDS. Okay. Oh, so what they're asking, so okay, so you have to tell which statement is incorrect related to Harappan civilization. So I have already told you in this the okay, first read all the points. The Harappans were Fulas worshippers. Okay, they worship God in the form of human beings. This is correct. Okay, they looked upon the earth as fertility goddess. I have already told you. What is not correct is they place their god in temple. Temple, as I have already told you, we didn't get any evidence related to temple. Okay. Harappan people did not place their god in temples. वो अपने भगवान मंदिरों में नहीं रखते थे. Harappan's weapons were made of. So what is it made of? All of the above. Copper was the first metal which was used by them, I have already told you, and for their weapons they used stone, copper and bronze. Okay. The main weapons of war and hunting used by Harappan were axe, spear, dagger, bow and arrow, mace, sling, sword. Okay. Most of them are of copper and bronze. However, mace was also made up of stone. Your next question is, which is the correct chronology of the excavation of the Indus excavation of the site in the Mohenjo-daro civilization? So okay, so this question is important. You'll able to do this question only when you know the time period. Fine. So your 25 is basically Harappan was the first one, then your Mohenjo-daro, then your Chanudaro, and next is Lothal. So your answer is this. Fine. This is really important. This type of questions you will get in your NDA and CDS exam. So your correct order is the what? Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Chanudaro and Lothal. Okay. So we have covered 25 question in this video. These all are really very important. Each and every question is important for you. Next 25 we'll do it tomorrow, which are going to very important. Fine. So please do like and subscribe my channel. It is a kind of motivation for me, so that I can prepare more important questions for you, especially for NDA and CDS, and your exam is already on head. Just practice as much as you can, because questions are really very important. Practice more and more questions, and because questions are important, because you will get to know a new point in that. Fine. I hope you are getting my point, because each and every question is carried some more new topics, and while doing MCQ questions you would get to know some more topics. Okay, so please like and subscribe, so that I can provide you more important questions also. And soon we'll create a Telegram group also, in which you will get this PDF file for practice. Okay, so please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much for today's questions. Bye bye, take care.